We need your help.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
We also want to thank all the wonderful people who've helped out with our benefit baseball game and pancake breakfast. They were a great success.
And the rocket's red
Also, those who helped and gave their time in cleaning and repairing the shelter so our animals can have a better life. We rescued Abby from the shelter, and she's been the smartest and most loving dog we ever had, giving us nothing but joy. Here at the Blooming Grove Animal Shelter, we strive to get these homeless animals healthy and fit so they can be adopted for a loving home.
Cross-cut soul, baby, drag me across your lawn. I'm a cross-cut soul, baby, drag me across your lawn. Cut your wood so easy, boy, you can't help but say I saw. They call me Woodcut Sam, Woodchop Jim. Last woman I cut clothes, she want me back again. I'm a cross-cut soul, they drag me across your lawn. Cut your wood so easy, boy, you can't help but say I saw.
Just wanted to spend that.
We need volunteers and donations. Even if you just visit and take a dog for a walk, they'll love you for it. Come visit us and see if one of these adorable animals can find a home with you.